India is building its future right now. By 2047, India wants to be $30 to $40 trillion economy. The government has a clear plan, Vikasit Bharat 2047. And at the heart of the plan is one thing, building India's infrastructure, industry and technology at a massive scale. Every airport, every smart city, every electric vehicle, every solar power plant, every semiconductor chip India needs to make needs engineers. Not just any engineers, core engineers. I am Dr. Kishor Buddha, Director, School of Core Engineering at GITAM University, Bengaluru campus. GITAM is a NAC A++ accredited Category 1 deemed university established in 1980 with more than 30,000 students, 2,000 plus faculty members and campuses in Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad and Bengaluru. And GITAM School of Core Engineering is our answer to India's most urgent question, who is going to build all of this? Circuit, structures, machine, systems. These are not just subjects. These are languages that physical world is written in. And the core engineering is the discipline that speaks that language. Before a city becomes smart, a civil engineer has to design and build it. Before a chip powers your phone, an electronics engineer has to create it. Before a grid runs on clean energy, an electrical engineer has to wire it. Before a factory becomes intelligent, a mechanical engineer has to build the machines. Before a robot works on its own, a robotics and AI engineer has to program and build it. Core engineering is not one thing, it is the foundation of everything. At GITAM, we do not teach core engineering the way it was taught 20 years ago. We call our approach foundations forward. Build the deepest fundamentals, circuits, machines, mechanics, structures, materials, systems. Then extend them into future AI, IoT, VLSI, robotics, smart infrastructure. Our 5 programs are not traditional branches. They are redesigned, future-aligned programs. For an example, civil engineering with computer application, electronics engineering with VLSI and embedded system, electrical engineering with computer applications, mechanical engineering with automotive and digital manufacturing pathways, robotics with artificial intelligence, each one built for what India needs today and what the world needs by 2047. We did something unusual. We did not sit in a meeting room and redesign our syllabus by ourselves. We invited the industry partner to build it with us. 25 industry leaders, 25 academic experts, a 50-member core committee. They spent months answering one question. What does a core engineer of 2030 need to know? The result is our curriculum that is fundamentals first, because AI is only as useful as the engineering system it runs on. Technology integrated, AI, Python, machine learning and IoT are part of every part program from the year 1. Practice first. TEP labs, live projects and real industry problem solving are built into the course. Industry validated. Every course is aligned to what companies actually look for when they hire. Every student learns to think using first principles and systems thinking, not to pass the exam, but to solve real engineering problems. We also offer 24 credits as an open elective subjects across business, law, architecture and humanities. Do you know why? Because our engineer tomorrow must understand the world beyond the lab. We are not teaching AI as a separate subject. We are embedding AI into every engineering program. For an example, in civil engineering, AI for structural health monitoring, flood prediction and smart city planning. In electronics engineering, AI for signal processing, IoT networks and chip design automation. In electrical engineering, AI for smart grids, energy forecasting and fault detection. In mechanical engineering, for robotic arms, predictive maintenance and smart manufacturing. In robotics and AI, where AI is not just a tool, it is an entire discipline. India needs engineers who do not just know how to use AI, but who knows how to deploy AI inside real engineering system. That is exactly what we teach and that is exactly what we produce. Our teaching has one clear goal: experience first, theory reinforced. We do not start with a textbook, we start with a problem. We do not just teach circuits, we build smart energy systems. We do not just teach structures, we simulate real bridge failures. We do not just teach robotics, we build robots that do real tasks. And we do not just teach electronics, we design actual chips and communication systems. Our 5 teaching pillars: goal-oriented learning, Every lesson has a clear, measurable outcome. Holistic approach. We cover classroom teaching, lab work, and real-world assessment together. Tailored teaching. Every student is different, and we teach in a way that works for each person. Team-based learning. Students work in teams on real problems, just like industry. Inquiry-based learning. We ask questions and give problems, not just answers. Outside the classroom, students join technical clubs like IEEE, IETE, ASME, like many other professional societies, and work on. A city does not become smart because someone writes code for it. It becomes smart because a civil engineer designs the grid, the drainage, the structure, and puts intelligence into every layer. That is what our students learn to do here. Civil engineering with computer application at GITAM, building the intelligent backbone of Vikasit Bharat. India wants to make its own chips. The government has committed 76,000 crore to build a chip-making nation. The engineers who will lead that mission are being trained here in our VLSI program. And alongside them, our EC students are building the communication system of India's 5G and 6G future. India's electrical equipment market will reach $130 billion by 2030. The EV and clean energy shift needs engineers who can manage power, program automation, and design intelligent system all at once. That is exactly what this program trains. Electrical and computer engineering at GITAM, powering India's clean, smart, and connected future. Mechanical engineering at GITAM gives you a choice. Do you want to build the electric vehicles that will move the India's next billion people? Or do you want to design the intelligent factories that manufacture them? Either way, you graduate ready to lead India's industrial future. Both pathways, both world-class, both built for what India needs by 2047. Every other engineer uses tools, but our robotics and AI students build those tools. The surgical bot, the autonomous vehicle, the intelligent factory, these are not future technologies, they exist today. And the engineers who will build the next generation of them are studying right here at GITAM Robotics and AI, at GITAM Engineering India's most intelligent future. The real report card of any institution is not its ranking. It is what happens to the students after they graduate. Over 1 lakh plus alumni are working at Apple, Bosch, Mercedes-Benz, L&T, Microchip, PwCs, whatnot, and at all the organizations across the world in semiconductors, infrastructure, mobility, and deep technology. Of course, many are pursuing masters and PhDs at top-ranked universities across the globe. Many have started their own companies. Many come back to mentor the next batch. Ask any GITAM alumnus about the place and they will not say, that is where I studied. They will all say, that is where I become who I am. GITAM is not just a college to them, it is an emotion for us. And the parents who trusted us with their children, that trust means everything to us. For 45 years, families have been sending their children to GITAM, knowing they will come back as engineers the world wants to hire. We do not take that trust lightly. And for the faculty, this is not a place of work. They are our extended family. Every student who walks through our doors becomes part of something bigger than a degree program. They become a part of GITAM. India in 2047 will need airports, highways, power grids, factories, chips, robots, and smart cities. None of that builds itself. It takes engineers, trained engineers, industry-ready engineers. At GITAM School of Core Engineering, we have 45 years of trust from students and families across India. We have 1 lakh plus alumni working in leading companies across the globe. We have 2,000 plus faculty, out of which 75% are doctorates, who love what they are doing, what they care deeply about every student. We have a NAC A++ accreditation, the highest in India, and a syllabus built by 50 of the best minds in industry and academia. And we are in Bengaluru, India's technology capital, surrounded by ISRO, Hall, Bosch, Foxconn, Honeywell, and many more. If you want to build roads, design chips, power cities, manufacture machines, or program robots, this is your future school. Come, build, lead. GITAM School of Core Engineering, where India's future engineers are made. Thank you. Jai Hind.